just give you the meaning of Hanifa is bend inclines to the right judgment. A man or a human being, a woman or a man or a human being who's bend towards the right judgment, is always bending towards the right judgment, is Hanifa. So Allah says, Allah has made mankind over his nature. Fitrat Allahi allati fatara nasa alayha. So Allah's nature and mankind nature, we have to understand. The nature or the attributes, or Allah is described by his attributes names. Like for example, is Khaliq, the creator, Ar-Rahman, the most gracious, Ar-Rahim, the merciful, Wudud, loving, and so on. There are above 100 attributes. The similar attributes we have got. But the difference, what our body requires, like we eat, we drink, we sleep, we are a combination of body and soul. So spiritually, Allah's attributes is same our attributes, but his attributes are eternal. Like we can also create, but we cannot create like God. For Allah, everything is eternal. So we also go by the ayahs, following the commandments of Allah. Then only you come to know that I am following the attributes of Allah.